Hi, so today I'm very quickly going to show you how to do a treble crochet. So I've started a bit of a sample here so that I can show you how they look like. I just chained 10 and I'll jump straight in and I'll show you how to do this. So the first thing that we're going to do is we've either joined on or we are continuing with our row. So to do a treble crochet stitch, we're going to take our working yarn and we're going to yarn over. We're then going to go round our hook once more. We're going to yarn over once more and we're going to pull through 2 loops that are on our hook. Then we're going to pull through 2 loops on our hook and then we're going to pull through 2 loops on our hook. I'll do one more and show you. So we're going to yarn over once, yarn over twice, go into a chain on our hook, yarn over our hook again, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Let's have one more go. So we're going to yarn over twice, go into a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. So this is how our stitch will look. So on this I've done a treble, skipped a stitch, treble, skipped a stitch. This is US terms, so just so that you know. Right, even though I'm in the UK, I still work with the US terms because most patterns are written in US terms. So we're going to yarn over again and then we've got the end of our row. So I hope this is helpful. Let me know.